Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm here with Davidoff, one of my favorite cigars, and I'm going to give you 5 Shopify tips for your product pages to help you obliterate the competition. Okay, tip number 1, make sure you have at least 5 excellent product photos. There's people that can help you take excellent product photos. You want to have at least 5. 7 is preferred, that showcase your products so users know exactly what they're buying. This will help with your conversion rates. Number 2, make sure that you have an optimized product title. Don't just say the standard name of your product. Make sure that you have optimized keywords in the title. Number 3, this is one of the most overlooked areas of Shopify optimization, is writing an excellent product description that is also optimized based on whatever it is that you're selling. Most people overlook this. Don't overlook it. Spend the time and create those product descriptions that really give users a reason to buy and explain what your product does and what pain point it solves. Number 4, showing product reviews. Now, if you don't have product reviews, you can pull those in from some other marketplace where you're selling your product, but you should have reviews of your product on your website. If you don't know how to do this, please message me and I'll show you how to do this, where you can automate the customer review process. It's very simple and it helps show what your customers really think about your product. Finally, tip number 5 is whenever somebody's on a product page, showcase the bundles that users buy together with that product. Think about it. If they're interested in that product, they'll probably be interested in the complementary products. So go ahead and showcase that on the page. Well, that's it. I just gave you 5 tips for your Shopify product page that you can use to help increase the sales of your current Shopify website. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below and I'll see you next time.